Welcome to John Kleis Car's YouTube channel. This video is about this brand new Audi S3 behind me, which is a 2025 plate. This is coming for the best dash cam possible right now, which is none other than the Thinkware U3000 model. So I'm going to start from the outside of the car and show you what it looks like from outside. Here's the body of the front camera right here. 4K lens on the front. Cables all go neatly behind the roof, but we'll show you that when we get in the car. We've then got the rear camera, which is mounted at the top of the rear window. And if I open up the tailgate, you're going to see the rear camera just mounted here. Cable goes neatly behind, obviously the plastic, down through the convoluted tubing, and then it goes all the way through from the back of the car to the front without any cables on show. And obviously all your panels go back together as they came in, just like factory Audi. Now let's go inside the vehicle and show you the camera. There it is mounted at the very top. It is subtle from the driver's seat because obviously there's a lot of black and plastic up there, so it kind of blends in nicely, and all in all the cables go neatly behind the actual roof lining. This is the Thinkware U3000 model with 4K on the front, 2K on the rear, radar technology for the best parking mode possible, but the customer wasn't going to be happy with the amount of parking that this camera gives out of the box without additional power like a battery. So he's actually gone for the Thinkware iVolt Max battery, which is just mounted under the passenger seat there. Seats all the way in the back position, which you wouldn't normally run. So if I actually move the seat forward to where the customer had it when he came in, you can barely notice it. But it's mounted under the seat, no holes have been drilled, fully reversible. No cables cut either to the fuse box. We've used actual spur fuses, and this will actually allow the camera to record for up to 32 hours roughly on motion detection, which is the most power hungry mode of parking mode. Or if you put it on their radar technology, which is outstanding, you will get weeks of recording whilst parked up. So it's that bloody good. Really good bit of system. Brand new Audi S3 in for the best U3000 Thinkware camera, which I think was one of the best looking ones. I'll show you the rear camera in the back before I finish this video, just there. And that is it. This is Connor from John Kleis Car Audio signing off. See you soon.